Hi, I'm JD, and what we're going to be doing today is differential equations. This is a first order equation, also known as a linear equation. So if you would, pause the video and see if you can try this one on your own. Alright, first things first is you got to put it in the correct format. A linear equation needs to be in the format of y prime plus p of x, y equals f of x. Because then once you have it in that form, you can use what's called an integrating factor. The integrated factor is found by e raised to p of x, the integral of p of x with respect to x. And so I'm going to show you. First, it has to be in that form. So what you want to do is you want to divide everything off by x squared. Once you do that, this cancels. You have dy. I'm going to just write y prime plus 1 over x y. This would be 2x raised to negative 2. Next, you want to use the integrated factor. Your integrated factor is found here, so that's going to be x raised to e. Your p of x is 1 over x dx e. This right here, the integral of this, is natural log that. And so this cancels. You're left with just simply x. So what you want to do next is multiply everything by x. When you do that, you have x y prime plus x over x is just y equals, and you're multiplying everything by x, so it would be 2 over x. Now, this can be transformed. It's the multiplicative rule when you do derivatives. So here, it would be xy with respect to x. This stays the same. Now, remember the multiplicative rule is simply you leave the first the same, you take the derivative of the second, that's y prime, take the derivative of the first, right, which is 1, and you leave y the same. So it's just the derivative multiplicative rule. That's how you go from this step to this step. Next, what you want to do is you want to integrate both sides with respect to x. Once you do that, this just becomes xy. On the other side, this is 2 natural log of x plus c. Now, you're solving the differential equation, and you're solving for y. So what you have to do here is get y by itself. So you're going to divide both sides by x. When you do that, this cancels. Now, also what you want to notice is the domain restricted in any way? It is, with the natural log, and with this in the denominator, that restricts the domain. So this would only work if x is between 0 and positive infinity. And that's it.